Hi, my name is Mitch Hawley, and this is Aquaponics Masters, what I built and believe to be the most efficient and eco-friendly farm on the planet. But I need your help. With our crowdfunding campaign, we hope to be able to afford solar panels for this roof so that we can be 100% off-grid and sustainable. And what's really cool about that is there's a lot of people talking about what the problems are. Well, we're the solution. And let me tell you about that solution. It's called aquaponics. What we've got going on here is the marriage between aquaculture, which is fish farming, and hydroponics, which is soilless agriculture or growing in water. And there's a marriage between these two and they balance each other. Now the fish provide a nutrient for plants called nitrate, and the plants eat up that nitrate, clean the water, and return it back to the fish. So we have an infinite, balanced ecosystem that does exactly what we tell it to. And what we tell it to do is, we want it to grow as many high quality, healthy, all natural, greenhouse grown, aquaponically grown chives in our 10,000 square foot greenhouse attached to this 5,000 square foot warehouse that my family and I and my friends and girlfriend and subcontractors and a contractor all came together to build this reality. And this is my dream, this is my brainchild. We built this and put it all together. It took me about 8 years to get to this point. As you can see, we've got these degrees up on the wall. They're not college degrees because there's no college degree for what we do here yet, but they're the best schools that we could find at the time. I did internships, took the different design classes, met a lot of people, some of the people that are inventors, leaders in the industry, and I studied from all of them and I listened to everything that they had to say because my mission was to build the most efficient farm that can help the environment that anybody's ever seen. And I believe we've done it. We need your help to finish it off. Like I said, we need your help to raise money for these solar panels and also for these freeze dryers. And what we'd like to do is, like I said before, grow you the highest quality herbs around. But what's cool about these herbs that we're growing is they're not only super rich in nutrients, color, aroma, and flavor, but they're also freeze-dried and sealed for your protection for up to a 25-year shelf life. Now how's that for peace of mind, knowing that you bought a product that you could use any time in the next 25 years? I think everybody can benefit. I think if you're a person that eats food on Earth, which I think I can speak for most of us except for maybe Elon or some secret project on Mars, that we're all Earthlings that love food. And we love our planet, and it might not look like that, but we're going to turn that around. We're going to clean up everything. We're going to motivate everybody. We're going to show everyone that it's not too late, that there is a solution, and that we can all work together today to make a difference. What I find most interesting is the innovation. I want to bring this technology to the world. I want everyone to know that we have the solution, that we can build it now. We've been testing it. We've put the money into it. We've put the time, the blood, sweat, and tears. And it exists. It's right here behind me. I'm pleased to announce that we're here and we're ready. Our challenges, we've conquered them. We got the funding. We got the permits. We found the contractors. We did the work. We worked out the problems. And there's very little problems left. And that's why I'm here telling you this right now. Because we're going to change the future. This is the future of farming for sure.